In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on proxy mode in CapCut. If your timeline stutters when working with large or high-resolution clips, proxy mode can make editing much smoother. Proxies are lower-resolution versions of your footage that CapCut uses during editing to reduce strain on your computer. Don't worry, this does not change your final export quality. When you export, CapCut automatically switches back to the original, full-quality files. Start by opening CapCut on your computer. Give it a moment to load to the main workspace. You can be on the home screen or inside a project. Both are fine for this adjustment. Next, open the app's settings. Look for the gear icon, typically in the top corner of the window, or access settings from the menu bar if you prefer. This is where CapCut gathers all the preferences that affect performance and editing behavior, so it's the perfect place to enable proxies. Inside Settings, find and select the Performance section. This area focuses on how CapCut uses your system resources. You might see options related to hardware acceleration, cache, and media handling. We're going to focus specifically on the Proxy option. Now, turn on Proxy. Toggle the Proxy setting to enable it. In many cases, you'll see additional options to choose the proxy quality. If you do, pick a lower proxy resolution if your computer is older or you want maximum responsiveness, or a slightly higher proxy resolution if you want a clearer preview in the viewer while still improving performance. After enabling proxies, CapCut may begin generating proxy files for media that's already in your project, and it will create proxies for any new clips you import going forward. The first pass can take a bit of time depending on the size and number of files, but once they're built, playback and scrubbing should feel significantly smoother. A few helpful notes while proxies are on. Your preview may look softer because you're seeing the proxy version, and that's expected. Your exports will still use the original files at full resolution, so quality is preserved. If you're low on storage, be mindful that proxy files take some disk space while you're editing. You can always return to settings later to turn proxies off if you no longer need them. That's it. Open CapCut, go to Settings, choose Performance, and switch on Proxy. Enjoy a faster, more responsive timeline, and keep creating without the lag. If this helped, feel free to continue to your next edit and notice the difference right away.